Boiler installation is a complicated project. Before the boiler arrives at the site, some relevant preparations should be made in advance to ensure that the boiler can be put into production and operation quickly and safely. In EPCB, we make a commitment to our service, provide one-stop service for boiler installation, follow up the whole process from project formation to customer site testing, provide long-term technical consultants after the boiler is in normal operation, and solve problems in a timely manner. EPCB equips the boiler with burners from well-known brands, which can burn more fully and reduce harmful gas emissions. EPCB will save you more operating costs, provide a safer and more stable system with less emissions. Equipped with a fin tube economizer, the recovered heat can be fully utilized again by the boiler feed water. EPCB equipped with water pump from world-famous brand Grundfos and China CNP. Water treatment can reduce impurities in water, prevent scaling and corrosion of boilers, and ensure safe operation of boilers. High-quality and low-cost electronic control system, accurate monitoring of boiler operating data will make your boiler safer. Adopt three-way structure, and arrange the interval of the smoke pipes reasonably to improve the boiler thermal efficiency. Equipped with bag dust collector and flame arrestor, it can effectively desulfurize and remove nitrogen and reduce the content of nitrogen and sulfur oxides in the exhaust gas. Equipped with fans with appropriate air volume to meet the complete combustion of fuel and reduce flue gas emissions. EPCB's team of experts guarantees superior performance and peace of mind to all customers.